This is an unboxing video and a rant video, but I'll start off with the unboxing first before I go into the rant. The video is an unboxing of the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter. Now this is suitable for the Hero 5, 6, 7 and the session cameras, and we'll see what we get in the box. Now I paid, because I'm in England, I don't know how much is it roughly in America. It could be the same amount in dollars, I really do not know, but I paid in England for this item £49 from GoPro. Now this is all what you get in the box. I've took it out of the box. There is no instructions in there apart from on the back, which you can see if these are the instructions, but it just shows you how to hook it up to the camera and the microphone. And the next thing you get is another bit of box which houses this. This, I would say, is a monstrosity compared to what I had with my GoPro Hero 4, which was just a cable with a mini USB input and a socket, 3.5mm socket, which was just a cable. This is just absolutely what we'd say in England, taking the piss. You're paying 50 quid for this. Now, how do I expect you to attach this to the camera? Only God knows. And I think they know that they cocked up on this, because just by looking on the back of the box here, you can see, look, who the hell is going to have that configuration? Only God knows. Unless you're not moving the camera, then it's all right, but you're going to be moving this camera, you're going to be taking it with you. So this should have been integrated into the camera itself, but no, they sell you this absolutely, I'd say, carbuncle. Then they sell you this that you have to put with your camera. Now I'm going to show you what one company, thank God, and I've done a video on it up here, which you'll see up here. Thank God, Ulanzi has done a case to accommodate this item. Now I really think GoPro cocked up big style here. I think they know they cocked up big style, but because companies do what they want to do, they didn't even provide you with a case that is suitable for you to carry this around with your camera. But thank God Ulanzi did this. Now I have done a video on this, which will be up here hopefully, on my channel. And this Ulanzi case houses your camera and this awful thing. Now what basically you feed this through, which is quite tricky, but I'll try and do it. Right, you feed this through. It is absolutely tricky to feed this through, but anyway, you feed this through. I'll try and get it in. That's it there. You feed that through, and that stops there. And you feed that through, and that plugs into your camera. I will put my camera on there to show you how it's done. But this houses it, and because thank God this company has made this, it doesn't look too bad. It looks okay. It looks far better, because one thing I was not prepared to do was put Velcro on this thing and stick it on the side of a cage or a frame, it would just look, it would not look right. It would absolutely not look right. I tell you how it won't look right. It's like when some people put the Night Rider light on old Datsuns, or what you would probably call Nissans. The Night Rider light looked good on Night Rider's car, and I can't remember if it was a Trans Am, I'm not quite sure. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. It looked good on that car, but when you stuck that Night Rider light on ordinary cars on the street, it did not look good. So that's why I would not put Velcro on this unit to stick it to my camera. So thank God they came up with that. Otherwise, let's go back to the actual adapter. The adapter is for you to plug your microphone in. I'll put this case out the way. And what we got here is, if I turn this around the other way, I think, let's have a look. Okay, it's a bit difficult to do it behind the camera. Right, what you do is you plug your power into here and your microphone in here. Now, you don't necessarily have to plug your power in there, especially if you're vlogging. You don't have to, but if you do, you can put your power in there, and your mic definitely goes in there. Now, this microphone, this socket here is a 3.5mm socket for a jack, and the jack has to be a TRS jack. Now I'll show you what one of them is. Now here's a cord which I have took from my Boya microphone. Now this socket here is suitable with this mini jack plug here. So it's a 3.5mm socket for a 3.5mm jack, and this is a TRS, which is tip ring sleeve plug. Now if you're using a lavalier mic and it's not one to go into a smartphone, you'll have that connection on there. The same with other mics, you'll get this connection on there, no problem, and that fits into there. Right, you do not want to fit into this hole this kind of jack. Now this is a TRRS, which is tip ring sleeve. This is for smartphones. Now with Boya, you get this cord with their microphones. I've already done a video on the Boya microphone, but you get this cord and they actually label it for you. So I'll try and bring it up to the camera there. You see, that says smartphone, and it's that kind of plug. That is for your smartphone or mobile device. And this one it's got here on the other side for microphone, see? And there's the big difference between them. So this takes that. This takes that. So I'll put the whole lot together to show you what it's like. Now this is what the setup looks like, and as you can see, you plug that into the side of the GoPro. In this case, you have to remove the door, and that's the setup here. Now, just in case you're asking, this is the Boya microphone, which is the BY-MM1, and I'll leave a link up here because I have done a video on this, and that's what it looks like. Now I just want to end this video by saying this. I think GoPro is literally what we say in England, taking the mick or taking the piss. That means to all you Americans out there or people in the rest of the world, means that GoPro is taking a joke with its customers. It's taking their customers too much for granted, charging this extortionate price for this equipment. This equipment, which I'll guarantee, I hope somebody on YouTube does this because I can't do it myself, can open up this thing to show you what exactly is in here, because my guess is it's probably just one little circuit board in this equipment, and they are charging £50 for it, because all they've done is put a chip in here that the GoPro camera can read and knows that this is connected. So if you buy something similar or after a third-party solution to do it, because it hasn't got that programmable chip inside, it won't read that it's a microphone adapter and doesn't allow the camera to bring in that signal from that microphone, which, as I says, GoPro is taking the mick. They are taking the mick selling it for that price. This should be at least no more than £25 at the most, no more than £25. Anyway, that is my semi unboxing and semi rant about this product. But if you want to have a good audio with your clips and for vlogging, you're gonna have to buy it because we've got no other choice. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please do me a favor, please like and please subscribe. Thanks.